everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Feline. Today we are going to can you notice I have a gloves because I feel like because my hands is super dry, so I'm going to be dirty doing unboxing. So yes, so I will be doing series of unboxing today, and the first one will be this is by far, I bought it Etsy it's 50% off, and this is the first time that I am going to unbox this one. So this is the first time I bought something like this in Etsy. Um, I'm just wondering how I look with this one. So since today, nowadays, before Mother's Day, they have a lot of sale, and like their old model is going on sale because they have a new ones that they are pushing through for their Mother's Day. So what I'm buying, it is dun, 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 dun. What I bought from Etsy is Headband. Guys, I am tired of wearing my clips or hairpins, so I imagine I should wear a headband because then I don't need to try to clip my hair, and it's clean face and it's round face. So I am so happy with this because it came in pretty quick, and this is really, they said it's a leather, and look at that. Ouch. This is beads, these are not pearls. So I was thinking maybe in the future I'm going to put my real pearls in a headband and I'm just going to wear it down to, yeah. So this one, see, you can see it, this headband is really pretty. I like it, it's really soft, and oh my goodness, I'm not fan of wearing headband before, but since my hair bugs me, so I think this is a good way to accessorize my look. Oh my goodness. It is always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yay. So as you forgive my gloves because I feel so dirty today with by the way, before I opened it, I disinfected. When I receive it outside the door, I spray. And so the other one is purple, blue. This is a denim. So the other one is like a velvety mustard, yellowish something. So this is originally like $14 or $12, so this is on sale. So when is that? 50% off. So I will try this one. So okay, I think I'm fine. What do you think? Man, I don't know how to headband myself. Headband myself. How do I do it? See, my face now is so round and clear where you can see me clearly. Oh my goodness. So there. And by the way, guys, you comment down below. See, you comment down below which one looks good on me, which one fits better, or I shall fix my hair going that way or going sideways. I don't know, but I shall experiment this. to try it, you know, so you can see and what colors looks nice to me. And but today this will fits on my clothes, my top. There, I'm gonna wear, you'll be seeing some of my videos wearing this one. How do I do this? There. Oh my. There. Guys, because I have not decided if I'm gonna buy a nice microphone with a nice really camera for vlogging, but for now I am contented with this for a headset, or how do I say it, headset. Guys, as you can see, I'm a little groggy, but yes, this makes me excited. There, it fits nice. So I bought 5. Ta-da! What do you think? Oh, what do you think? Please comment down below if you like my headbands. This will be my part of accessories instead of a lot of necklace or a lot of earrings or whatever. So I just want not to be bothered by my hair, because I don't know how to maintain my hair. So I imagine if I wear headband, then I look cleaner in the camera, so you can see me better. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think these prices are durable or doable to you, or you think these materials are nice and how it fits on me in your viewfinder. Viewfinder, yes. So far I like the feeling of this the way it fits. So yeah, why not? And if you like to see more good deals and great deals, or a lot of things unboxing, just join me in my channel. Bye.